The hungry predator. As Finn swam further, the river became wider and deeper. The water was calm, and Finn felt at ease until a shadow loomed above. Looking up, Finn saw a large heron circling in the sky. Its sharp beak glinted in the sunlight, and its eyes scanned the water. Finn's heart pounded. I have to hide. Spotting a patch of tall reeds near the riverbank, Finn quickly swam toward it. The heron swooped down, its beak slicing through the water just inches away from Finn. Inside the reeds, Finn held still, barely breathing. The heron circled a few more times before flying away, disappointed. Finn let out a sigh of relief. That was close. Finn whispered, I'll have to be more careful. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for more videos.